Good morning everyone. So we will continue our exercise, that is 6.2. So we are doing this third bit. This one, what is this one? Write true or false, correct those that are false. We have to write which is true and which is false, and also which is false we have to write the correct statement there. Okay, so first one, 0 is on the right of -3, right side of -3. So 0 is on right side of -3. So take one number line here, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Here -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Okay, they are talking about 0 and -3. So 0 and -3. So 0 is lying on right side and -3 is lying on left side. So what they told, 0 is on the right of -3. So 0 is on the right of -3 only. So that is true. So first one is true there. Second one, now -12 and +12 represent on the number line the same integer. So +12 and -12 both are equal. They are lying on same side, on the same point. No, +12 is on left side, +12 is on right side and -12 is on left side. So they are not having equal point there. So it is false. So what you will write the correct statement there? -12 and +12 represent on a number line on different integers. -12 and +12 represents on the number line on different integers. Okay, so third one now. What is third one? Every positive integer is greater than 0. Every positive integer is. These are positive integers. 1, 2, 3, so on are called as positive integers. And these positive integers are greater than 0. So it is true. Next, fourth one. -5 is less than. -5 is less than 8. Is yes, -5 will be lying here and 8 will be on right side. So -5 is less than 8 value, because 8 is lying on right side and -5 is lying on left side. So that is also true. Next, fifth one, -100 is greater than +100. +100 means it will be lying here and -100 will be here. So what they gave, this value is greater than this value it seems. Here +100 is on right side and -100 is on left side. So what is our note? Always the right side values will be greater than left side values. But they have given left side value, that is -100 is greater than +100 they told. So that is false. So false. So what is the correct statement? +100 is greater than -100. Sixth one, -1 is less than -8. What they told, -1 is less than -8. So -8 will be here. They are talking about -1 and -8. So what they told, -1 is less than -8. -1 is, if you take these two, -8 and -1, -1 is lying on right side and -8 is lying on left side. So -1 will be greater than -8. But they told here -1 is less than -8. So that is false. So what you will write here? -1 is greater than -8. So this is our third bit. Next is fourth one. So what is fourth question here? Find all the integers which lies between the given two integers. Also represent them on a number line. So we have to represent them on a number line also. So your fourth bit. Okay, so first minus 1 and 1. So find all the integers which lies between the given two integers, also represent them on a number line. So we have to represent on a number line also. So what are the between integers? First we will represent on a number line. So given minus 1 and 1. So we are representing on a number line here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Okay, so which value is in between? 0 is in between. Okay, so we have to represent this also. So minus 1 to 1. So 0 is in between. So between 0 lies between here. Therefore 0 lies between minus 1 and 1. So second one, minus 5 and 0. Minus 5 and 0. So they have given minus 5 and 0 here. Okay, so first you represent on a number line. And so on. So they are talking about minus 5 and 0 from here to here. Okay, so what are between values for minus 5 and 0? That will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So therefore minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 lies between minus 5 and 0 we have to write. Okay, next third one. So what is third one? Minus 6 and minus 8. First we have to write the between. First you draw a number line. Draw a number line. Here it is 0, 1, 2 and so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and so on. So they are talking about minus 6 to minus 8. So what is the middle integer? That is minus 7. So therefore minus 7 lies between minus 6 and minus 8. So this is our third question. Next, last one. What is this? 0 and minus 3. So first draw a number line. And so on. So it is talking about 0 and minus 3. So what is the middle value here? They lies between. These are the midless value between which lies between minus 3 and 0. So therefore minus 2, minus 1 lies between 0 and minus 3. So this is our fourth bit in this. Okay. So next, fifth one. Fifth bit solution. The temperature recorded in Shimla is minus 4 degrees Celsius and Kufri is minus 6 degrees Celsius on the same day. Which place is colder on the day and by how? Okay, so we have to write the reason also why it is cold. Okay, so here the temperature recorded in Shimla. So what we will write here? Temperature recorded in Shimla is how much? Minus 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, and temperature recorded in Kufri is how much? Minus 6 degrees Celsius. So which is colder place they are asking. So here -4 and -C if you draw a number line, -4 will lie here, -6 will lie here. Okay, so -4 is lying on right side and -6 is lying on left side. So -4 is greater than -6. That means which one is a lesser value? Which value is less? That place will be more colder. That means here Kufri is colder than Shimla. So what you will write here? Kufri is therefore Kufri is colder than Shimla because -6 degrees Celsius is less than -4 degrees Celsius. So how the temperature is decreasing, the cold will be raising. Okay, the hot will be decreasing. Okay, so that's why here -6 degrees Celsius is less than -4 degrees Celsius. That's why we will tell Kufri is colder than Shimla. Okay, so this is our fifth solution. Next exercise we will start. Already I told you about how to add and how to subtract on a number line. So we will do that problems now. Okay, so first one in that, so first one, add the following integers using number line. By using number line, we have to add the integers here. So first bit in this first one, 7 plus -6. So before doing this, I gave you some conditions, 4 conditions. What are that? Plus into plus will be equals to plus, minus into minus will be equals to plus, minus into plus will be minus, plus into minus will be minus. So these 4 conditions are very important. So first what we have to do, already I told you the steps. So given, listen this properly, very important for further classes also. So first number always we have to write as it is. Okay, first number always we have to write as it is. So next point is what? Wherever you will see this double sign, make it into single sign. So these, for 6 you are seeing double sign, convert into single sign. So plus into minus. So plus into minus is minus. And 6 I am writing as it is. Okay. Now this one I will represent on a number line. So where I will represent? On a number line I will represent. So here draw a number line. And so on. So what is first number? 7. 7 is a positive number. So if it is a positive number, we have to move to right side. So if it is a positive number, we have to move to right side. And if it is a negative number, we have to move to left side. Okay, we have to move to left side. So first 7 is a positive number. So I am moving to right side from 0 to 7. So this is plus 7. I am moving to right side. Okay. Now 6. 6 is a negative value. Negative value means it will be, we have to move to left side. How many times we have to move? 6 times we have to move from 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the result here? Plus 1. So this one we are moving to left side because it is minus 6. So 7 minus 6 will be equals to what? 1. So next one, minus 8 plus of minus 2. Okay, again the same thing, stepwise we will do. Given minus 8 plus of minus 2. So first number we have to write as it is. Double sign we have to convert into single sign. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is what? Minus. So minus, I am writing this 2 as it is. Okay. Now this part we have to represent on a number line. So draw a number line. And so on. Okay, so first, what is the first number? 8. 8 is a negative number. So negative number means we have to move to left side. So 0 to minus 8. So I am moving to left side because it is a negative number. Okay, next is minus 2. Minus 2 is again a negative number. So again I have to move to left side from 8. Minus 8. 1, 2. So what is the result here? Minus 10. This also I am moving to left side because that is also a negative value. So what is the result here? Result is minus 10. Okay. So next is third one. Third and fourth I will tell. Remaining 2 you try it as homework. So what is third one? Minus 6 plus of minus 5 plus of plus 2. Okay, now you are having 3 different integers. Okay, so first given you write. Listen it carefully. Okay, so what I told already, always the first digit should be as it is. So I am bringing this minus 6 as it is. Now wherever you will see the double sign, make it into single sign. So plus into minus is minus. So in place of these 2 I am writing minus. 5 I am writing as it is. Now plus into plus will be again plus. So plus 2. Okay. Now this part we will represent on a number line. So which part we will represent? This part we will represent on a number line. So draw a number line. And so on. So first minus 6. Minus is nothing but we have to move to left side. So move to left side first. 0 to minus 6. This I am moving to left side because it is a negative value. Next minus 5. Minus 5 means again we have to move to left side only. From 6 we have to move to left side again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again I am moving to left side only because it is a negative number. Now next is plus 2. Plus 2 means we have to move to right side. So from here we have to take 2 times. 1, 2. So what is the result here? Minus 10. This one I am moving to right side because it is a positive number. Okay, so what is the answer here? That is minus 10 is our result. So one more example I will tell you. Next week you try it as homework. So fourth one, minus 8 plus of minus 9 plus of plus 17. Okay, so here solution, first you write the given number. Again the same first step. What is the first step? First number you have to write as it is. Wherever you will see the double sign, we have to make it into single sign. So plus into minus is minus 9 as it is. Plus into plus is plus 17. I have used these symbols. Okay. So now this one we have to represent on a number line. So I am drawing one number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 18, minus 19 and so on. Okay, so first what is the number? Minus 8. Minus 8 means we have to move to left side. So 0 to minus 8. I am moving to left side because it is a negative number. Again minus 9. Minus is again a negative number. So we have to move to left side. How many times? 9 times we have to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you got it as minus 17. This is again I am moving to left side because it is minus 9. Now plus 17. Plus 17 means we have to move to right side. How many times? 17 times we have to move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what is the answer here? 0. So that will be equals to 0 here. So this I am moving to right side. This side I am moving because it is positive number. So this 4 bits I have given it as I told you. Next 2 bits you try it as homework. Fifth one is what here? Minus 3 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 5. This one you try it as homework, as well as sixth one, that is minus 1 plus 7 plus minus 3. So this one also you try it as homework. I hope you have understood how to do these problems. So tomorrow in next class we will continue our exercise. Thank you.